call this weapon as bow. Actually, this is a daily weapons or what we call daily armaments or daily equipments for farming, fishing. So, Okinawa before was an independent state and with a relationship with the Kingdom of China. But during the late 18th century, the Satsuma invaded the shogunate of Japan because this Japan before they're planning to invade China and Korea, but Okinawa did not participate in invasion. So as so the Japanese shogunate informed the Sakugawa or the Kyushu samurai to invade Okinawa. So when the Japanese invaded Okinawa, using of armaments was prohibited. And then those Okinawans, they used the burn fishing elements as tools of self-defense. So this is what they call the bokata, using it bow or long staff. President of the Rukyo Kobudo Hoson Shintokai Philippine chapter. And at the same time, he is the Secretary General of the Mebukan Goju Republic of Philippines. Demonstrate the basic application of bow against nunchaku. These are what we call the pre-arranged basics para.
Naku ka naman dyan.
So as you see, that's the block and the counter. So in practice, you should not hit the partner. It's only just hit the air, mid-air, and then you're practicing the applications of the kata.